Hi, this video is about the travel guidelines and the COVID protocols for traveling to UAE. We are now traveling from Bangalore in India to Dubai. I will also share about some of the COVID testing and other facilities at the Bangalore airport. In subsequent videos, I will also share our travel experiences in Dubai. Please subscribe to the channel to get the future updates. We are now driving towards Bangalore Airport from the city. Bangalore International Airport is about 40 kilometers from the city center, and it takes about 1 to 2 hours to reach the airport, depending on the location and time of your travel. Airport buses are also available from various locations to reach the airport easily. While on the drive, I will explain some of the travel guidelines to Dubai. Lot of people are visiting Dubai these days for Dubai World Expo and Dubai Fest. It is important to know what to take care of before planning your travel. People traveling from India and few other countries to UAE need a valid negative COVID-19 PCR test certificate with a QR code for a test conducted within 48 hours. Validity should be calculated from the time the sample was collected prior to departure from an approved health facility. For GCC and most Western countries, COVID-19 PCR test certificate within 72 hours is sufficient. At the departure airport, a rapid COVID PCR test report with a QR code for a test conducted within 6 hours of departure is also needed. Please note that the rapid PCR test report should be from the last port of departure. If you have a connection flight, the report should be from the second airport. We had a connection flight from Bangalore to Calicut and then to Dubai, hence we had to take the rapid PCR at Calicut. For a rapid PCR test, you need to fill a long form with all your details. If you fill this online prior to reaching the airport, you can save valuable time. The links for filling the form for Bangalore and Calicut is given in the description. Passengers arriving in UAE from most of the countries including India will be required to take another COVID-19 PCR test on arrival at the UAE international airports. People with UAE resident visa also need to register their arrivals on the UAE Smart Services portal. The links for which is given in the description. We have now arrived at the Bangalore International Airport. Now I will explain where you need to take the rapid COVID PCR test. At the extreme starting point of the airport, before the departure area, you will find the Auriga Research COVID Testing Center. You can get the rapid test done here. Register at the aurigaresearch.in website with your phone number. If you have done the registration prior to reaching the airport, you can straight away get to the test. Mostly there would be a queue at the center. Hence make it a point to reach the facility 4 to 5 hours prior to your travel time. It takes 45 minutes to 1 hour to get the report. You can now wait for the report. There are many facilities outside the airport where you can spend your time and have food or drinks. Once you complete your check-in and security check And if you have time, you can explore inside the airport too. There are many eateries and shopping options inside the airport. You can also get free access to Bangalore Airport Lounge using your credit cards, where they have buffet lunch, dinner, snacks and drinks. You can also relax at the airport lounge till your flight time. We are now taking our Indigo flight to Dubai via Calicut. We have taken our rapid PCR test at Calicut, as it was our last port of departure. We have landed at the Dubai airport and have to take a PCR test at the airport too. We had taken an airport train free ride to reach the COVID testing center and return on the same train. It is a long walk to reach the COVID testing facility after deboarding the train. Irrespective of a large number of test counters, it took about 30 minutes for the queue to reach the test center. After the immigration checks, now we are out of the airport. From tomorrow, we would be visiting Dubai Expo and other places in Dubai. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please subscribe to this channel to see more of Dubai in the coming days.